Hey creators, have you been having sleepless nights trying to figure out how to convert an audio into a text or a video into a text? This video is all about that, so you are definitely in the right place. Without further ado, let's get started. Open your Play Store and just type in Nota. Download it, then click on Login, even though you have never logged in before, and then just tap Sign Up. Sign up and go ahead to tap this plus sign. After that, you can see import files, record now or live. But in this tutorial, we will be importing an audio file I have pre-recorded. Import your file and then also leave the language in English. And also import video files if you wish. Just allow that and upload the file you want. Wait for the audio to be transcribed and then tap on it. This is how it looks like. This is a 6-minute audio, but since we are using a free plan, we can only view 3 minutes of this transcript. So you can just make your audios last 3 minutes, then start on that one if you want to continue using this app without paying for the pro version. In order to export, you would need to be on the paid plan. But yeah, since I am on the free plan, I was able to export this out by copying each of these files, each of the trans files. Just tap on it and then copy and copy, and then I just took it to my notes. Some of the words were not transcribed properly, but you can edit it in your app or in your notes. And yeah, that is how to transcribe an audio to text. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share to someone who might be in need of this content. And if you have any other tutorial you want me to create, you can just leave it in the comment section and we will definitely catch up in my next one. Bye.